name is Elijah, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix that annoying creaking noise you can get in your scooter, which sounds like this most of the time. Alright, so first things first, you're going to have to get what you need, which is tools to take off your bars and compression, some paper towel, and some grease, which you're able to use on a scooter. I'm just using some white lithium grease, which seems to work perfectly fine. So first thing you want to do is to take apart your compression, which I'll do that here in a moment. Also, while you're taking apart your compression, make sure you know where everything goes, and I'd recommend watching a video on someone taking it apart so you know what to do. Also, while you're taking it apart, make sure that you set each of your parts on paper towel because you don't want to get grease everywhere, because there is still some grease on it. Alright, so once you have your fork off, you're going to want to take the bearings off and make sure you use a paper towel because they're probably going to have some grease on and you probably don't want to get that all over your hands. If you're having any trouble getting your bearings out, you can always use your fork and push on the top of the inside of the head tube where the bearing sits, so you can push it out. There we go. Got it out. Alright, so now what you're going to want to do is wipe off all the dirt which may get on your fork and bearings and all the parts. That's just so it won't get caught up in any of the pieces and make it spin not as smooth. After you do that, what you want to do is to grab your grease, and after wiping down all your parts, including the head tube right here, wipe that off. You're going to want to put just a little bit of grease right on the inside. And then with another piece of paper towel, you're going to want to use that to spread the grease on the inside. Alright, so now that you have the grease on the inside of the head tube, you want to take your bearing and then put it back in where the grease is already put on. Push it in. Now what you're going to want to do is make sure the bearings push all the way in, and then you're going to want to put some grease onto the top of the bearing, and then use that same piece of paper towel they're using to wipe, or a different piece of paper towel if you want, and then you're going to want to rub the grease around on there again. That's just to spread it out so it's not just all in one place. Basically, you just want to grease the inside of the bearing. Then you're going to want to put, and the top. Then you're going to want to put all your compression components back together and tighten everything correctly, and then you should be good to go. Just make sure that you put everything back correctly. You don't want to make a mistake when putting it back together and then have to take it all apart again. Alright, then put your bars back on and you should be good. I would recommend wiping down just all the grease that got on the outside, just if you really want to. If you want to get it off of the scooter, so it's not just there and looks bad. That's really all there is to fixing that noise. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching. See ya.